Japan, a place of beauty and mystery, where order is revered, where tradition is sacred. For one New York cop, it was the last place on earth he wanted to be.
You are civilians here. It is illegal for you to carry a gun.
And he was the last man on earth they wanted there.
You remember me, don't you?
I only want to talk to the man.
You see, there's a war going on, and they don't take prisoners. No one's gonna help a Gaijin.
Gaijin?
A barbarian, a foreigner, me and you.
Someone tells me we should cut our losses and let the locals handle it around here.
I can't go back without him.
I thought we were working together! Get out of it!
Michael Douglas, Black Rain, rated R. Starts Friday, September 22nd at theaters everywhere.